Welcome to Smartboard Training. Today we are going to focus on saving your presentation, the differences in how you can save it as different files, and what that means. So, after you've created your presentation, we have multiple whiteboard sessions open. Some are blank, some are not. What are we going to do with these? How do we save them, and how do we get them off the smartboard itself? To begin, we simply go to File and then Save As. That will pull up a large Save As box, and you can save it as multiple different file types. The default is something called a .fcw file, which is called a Smart Meeting Pro file, which what that means is a file that can only be opened by a smartboard itself. It is actually a whiteboard session, exactly as it is directly on the board. So if you want to save it as such, just remember that it can only be opened by a smartboard. You can, however, convert it into three other different file types. You can convert it into a PDF, a PowerPoint, or a graphic file. When you create it as a PDF, what that will do is it will take each one of these 5 whiteboard sessions, as I call them, and turn them into a separate PDF page, complete with all of the images directly on there. The advantage of that is that each one of those images on that PDF will come up as a separate manipulatable image. So if you wish to further edit it in the PDF format, you can. Similar to PDF, PowerPoint will create each one of these whiteboard sessions as a separate PowerPoint slide, complete with all of the pictures being a separate picture, of which you can then manipulate them further just as you would any other PowerPoint presentation. The difference, however, is when you convert it into a graphic file. What that will do is it will take each one of these 5 whiteboard sessions and turn them into a separate individual image. Now, every image that is in place on the smartboard, the whiteboard session, will become one full image, and it will not be further manipulatable. Well, the individual images will not be. It will be one single image that will show up, depending upon how many whiteboard sessions you have open. After you're done saving, wherever you save it to, you can either save it to the hard drive itself, or if you actually have your drive mapped under computer, you'll be able to put it under network location and save it directly to your network drive. If you do save it to the hard drive of the smartboard itself, you can simply open up the email contained in the smartboard and send it as an attachment, depending upon the file type that you choose. And that is how you can save files after you're done with your presentation.